you've been a very good audience this morning, but we have one final song that we'd like to sing with you at the end. Now, some of you may know the song, but the actions may be slightly different to the ones that we normally teach you. The song is all about our great big God. So are you ready to join in with us this morning?
Yes!
Just follow us, we'll teach you the actions as the song goes on, but Mr. Soundman, can we have the music, please? Start straight away, so be ready.
Our God is a great big God.